Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're still in the Glaciers Park area. We've got a slightly bigger play area there, kind of done a bit like a castle. And then next to that we have an outdoor gym. Quite a good size outdoor gym. Zip line. Some benches like chess or drafts tables, so you can sit and have a game in the sun. Again, we've still got these urns. No squirrels out today. Sometimes if you're lucky you get to see the red squirrels. And now we're coming down to the Oscar Esplá Auditorium. Again, we have another stage here. Again, quite a nice seating area. And then, of course, we come through into the town hall area. Town hall there. Closed for the day now, I would have thought. Got the flags flying there. And the Hotel Bristol away in the distance. Hit that like, guys. Hit the share. Hit the subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. You'd be surprised how many people actually watch the channel and aren't actually subscribed to it. Also hit that notification bell to ensure that you always get notified of when I upload more great content. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.